In front of me is REALME C25Y, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial pad tones on this phone. So currently they are active. Let me show you. So now you can hear every click of mine, but if you'd like to switch it off, if you'd like to mute keypad sounds, open the settings at first, go to sound, scroll all the way down, and here you will notice dial pad tones. So smoothly unmark it, and now it will be muted. So as you can see, it has been already applied, and obviously whenever you'd like to turn it on or off, it's working the same way. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.